Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're bliss. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and can't see on the screen. Boy, oh 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 boy. It's just a lot going on with Gaza system, you know, and it seems like only a few people is allowed to talk about it. Obviously, I want to kick it off with the story with Sikka Rhymes and Vanessa Bling because she sent him up on there, mama wicked. You know what I mean? And she actually, you know, she showed, you know, the shows thing, the thing them, you know, them said, Lisa get dashed with her. Yeah. So here we go on. Let's hear what Sikka Rhymes said, and then let's get into what Vanessa Bling had to say, because a lot of people saying that she's kind of biased to the thing, you know, or I should say the king. You know what I mean?
Go back and look at history. Yeah? Vanessa Bling was Shawn's time woman. You never know that though?
No, sir.
Alright. Shawn's time bring Vanessa Bling. Me Kartel. If you notice every time she do an interview, she says, such man bring me to him. Such man, who is...
So you can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavan. When it come on me yard, come sit down on the table and do what she do. And as she left me yard, she go meet world boss. Cause she did a fuck blood clot carry well live round at the back of father room yard. And then she start fuck Shawn Storm and milk box her down. And then Addy start fuck her. And the whole Gaza fuck ya. One man from the Gaza fuck me. And I the boss, cause I that me the boss. Me not the basket.
Yeah, so you see, it's nothing new that Sikka Rhymes said. You see, man, I said, Lisa Hyper been telling us, you see. But as you can see, when the system did advertise it, Vanessa Bling was all up in it and all of these things and praising Massacre for all of this in good environment she's in now. And now you see the, you know, the thematics behind her. You see, man, I say. But nevertheless, this is what she had to say to Sikka Rhymes, you know, first and foremost, as you know what, Sikka, you know what I mean, your stomach and you know the lyrics, all of these things. You don't know me, I never met you, and all of these stuff. So stop spreading lies and all of these things. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Obviously, Sikka Rhymes is going the Massacre road. I'm talking about cartel system and women, because you know it's a touchy topic out here. You see what I say? But like I said, if it's not your business, you really shouldn't talk it unless you're Kingmixup. Said. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic, Mr. Ocha. Yeah, and it has to deal with one of my followers on YouTube. As you can see, her sister is in urgent need for assistance. She's over at the KPH for several weeks now. Did a whole bunch of dialysis and all of this stuff. You see, they're kind of financially stressed. You know what I mean? And them seeking assistance. So we're going to take a look at this video and see if anybody out there can lend a helping hand. You see my saying?
Hi. Good day. My name is Shanice Bailey. As you can see, I'm making this recording from the hospital. I'm asking for some help pertaining to my diagnosis that I have recent diagnosed with, which is renal problem, right? And I'll be doing dialysis, and I'm in need of some financial help. I'm also a mother of a 6-year-old and a 5-week-old. Can I beg some help? Jamaica, please. Can I beg some help? Whoever can help me. Can I beg you? I beg some financial help, please. Thank you.
Well, yeah, she just had a baby and ended up with kidney failure. You see my people. So there's the number down there. On you can call if you need more information. You see yeah. Hope everything works out. You see me? Now the next trending story, me see, not in Jamaica, but have to deal with Jamaicans. It's have to deal with this club named Sugar Cane, over there in the Bronx. You see, man, I say, it looked like police. Well, obviously the police raided it. You feel me? It's allegedly they dally them myself pony up in this. So you see, man, I say, so it looked like say, and that's why them rush for going this. You see, man, I say, them say I like two twins own the establishment. You know what I mean? We're not gonna put up on them face obviously because I know them get luck. But that's what the raid is for, you feel I mean? And the sender is warning, other Jamaicans and Caribbean nationals, because they love to party. Beware, because allegedly ICE is also watching the establishment. Listen, man, I say, put in the comment section if you ever frequent this establishment before. You see, man, I say, and I can press pause on the screen and read out what the sender have to send. Because we're not going to read the phone, you see me, just to let you know what I go on for not to go on, you see me. Anyway, let's proceed. No, Miss Chin Kiprich, baby mother, is back at it again, and this time she's a little bit more calmer. Listen, man, said because it looked like the people is new to her on TikTok. You see, man, said, so she's basically explaining that, she's basically at peace now, but things and things don't provoke her because she can write a whole book about Kiprich. You know what I mean? So let's hear what she has to say, and then we'll proceed with the next.
If the other baby mother them or the other ex-woman them come out for talk, baby girl would be on her way running. If everybody decide to come together and talk, sister girl would be running instead of posting. My dear. Try mash up nobody good relationship, yo, my dear. I hear some jealous, my bad mind, me never get bends. Me tell you something, me not frightened for nothing at all. Me tell you something. So when I did, you can't carry nothing with you. I know say while you're alive, you want to be comfortable, but me reach to a stage in my life where I'm at peace. I'm at peace. Me never like what the people them provoke me. I never like all the people that provoke me about the man and the woman relationship with don't concern me. And I just say, you know what? I come set them straight once and for all. And so comes me end up to the video there. Everybody have them own opinion. You can say anything where you want to say about me. Yeah, but when you go say things and you don't know how the story go, it make you look stupid. Because you're going to send me a tell lie when you don't have my phone, when you don't do there with me, when you don't live on my yard, when you don't work in my salon with me. So how you would say a lie, me I seek attention? Or me jealous because the woman I breed? When the man breed about 4 or 5 different women after me. So why are the belly would concern me? Or me never get Benz, or me never get this, or me never get that, please. Me get everything when me did have, and me walk well left everything and come start over my whole life. Cause me now gonna take nothing from no man and no problem I go day night.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that. No, a lot of people saying keep rich like them young and dumb, I've been grooming them ever since 17 and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? But that's not my business, you see me? Anyway, people, I just want to put an end to this rumor between Stunner Girl and Neil, Enhanced Music. I don't know if I did the review. Okay, a lot of people business were put out, but how homegirl said, it's fake news. Maybe Neil them just a look low because the people them say Neil and Stunner Girl was all over each other and them couldn't take them hands off of each other, and this is more than business. You know what I mean? Because, she didn't at Jamaica what they you know what I mean? But the people them think that she did that with King. So as you can see, Neil in the blue and them white beamer and things and things. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But we not watch nobody front, I say, we just do the Lord work. So make sure you do the right thing, my people. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell there for you to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. It's my son. Bless.